Okay, just a few more meters away. Ah, teka. Yun na ba yun? Parang may nakikita ako. Right back where I started. Yun na ba yun? It's a totally unrelated side quest, pero parang gusto kong bumili ng bubble shirt ng New Japan eh. And even WWE. Sana kaya lang talaga hindi ko makalimutan. Sana wala pa na makalimutan. Yep, good old Yakiniku Light. Sige, mukhang may pila. Hindi, wala. Sige, taas nga tayo. Second floor daw eh. Hey, sige. I placed an order dito sa Yakiniku Light. Pero sobrang nakakatawa na kasi sobrang attentive yung server na lumapit sa akin. Parang half nga siya eh. Half American. Parang half European. Oh, tsaka half Japanese. Bye, dumating na ang order. So, teka. Ang kinuha ko ay yung beef rib at tsaka beef rib at tsaka teka. Yung short, plate, size beef. Tapos nilarge ko na yung rice. So, dahil dito unlimited rice or free rice refills. Sulit to. Dito dapat kumuha ko na yun. Yan, place na tayo ng order for raw egg kasi eggs in Japan, unbelievable. Miso soup. Sugoi. Whew, that was good. Grabe, sobrang nakakatawa. Dahil kasi habang kumakain ako, meron akong katabi. Tapos, bigla siya nagtanaan to. Tingnan kung saan ako galing. Sabi ko, I'm from the Philippines. Tapos siya naman, from Japan, pero from Okinawa. Man, tama nga yung sabi ni Jaime sa amin kahapon. Dahil kasi we went to an Okinawan restaurant yesterday and the people are so friendly. And he is the case in point. Sayang nga hindi ko nakuha ng screenshot pangalan dahil kasi, hindi ko siya nasama sa vlog at hindi ko nakuha yung pangalan dahil kasi we were eating and I don't wanna disturb anyone. Sobrang nakakatawa. Man. Hindi ko pa tayo sasabi or kung nasabi ko na before, pero dito sa Japan, ang dream destination ko talaga would be Okinawa. Kasi nung nakikita ko yung mga videos, it's too beautiful, man. The beaches and everything. Right, sige, that's for the future. Time my clock right now, it's 9:30 in the evening dito sa Japan, so 8:30 sa Pilipinas. I'm thinking kung... Actually, wala na rin naman kasi akong plan today, so what I could do is head on back na muna para at least maplano ko lang yung itinerary ko na maayos. Dahil kasi starting tomorrow, I really wanna make the most out of my stay here. Dahil kasi time of recording, I'm going to do 7 days dito and I really wanna make the most out of it. So ang gawin na lang natin, pagkatapos nito, upload na lang the vlog. Tapos diretso ako kaagad ng pagplano. Sige, let's get a move on. O nga pala, bago ako umalis, ang nagastos ko in Filipino peso, nagbayad na ako through GCash, is 838. So that would include yung set meal. Wala namang babayaran for the rice kasi it's free rice refill. Tsaka binayaran ko yung raw egg. Nasa may 180 yan nata yun. Pero high quality. Sige, let's get a move on. Eto, I skipped my train dahil kasi may nagtatanong na family. I believe they're Indian descent dahil kasi ano to, yung complexion. Tapos, ano to, they want to go to Shinjuku. Nagkataon kasi habang ini-explain ko yung directions, ano sila, ano to, dumating yung train. So, I figured, just skip it. Ang susunod naman na train is coming in 4 minutes. So, not too much of a hassle. Sige. If you're a local dito sa Japan, parati ka nagmamadali, it would be an issue. Pero, if you're a tourist, may konting give and take. Sige. Ox, dito na ulit sa Asakusa. Right. In a few moments. Right, so nandito na ulit ako sa accommodation mga kanamon. And, grabe, yung long day. Sige, so I'm just going to wrap up na lang yung today. It was very productive guys kasi ginawa natin more of the touristy things. And pagkatapos ng recording ito, I'm going to start planning the next few days. So yeah, it's going to be hectic. So, I'm gonna catch you in the next vlog. Good night.